Radhe Radhe Shri Harivansh. Welcome to our channel Shri Premanand Maharaji Videos English. In this channel, we are going to see daily each clip of Hindi videos of Maharaji in English. This initiative was taken for devotees who know English but doesn't know Hindi. I want to do seva by translating Hindi to English. So each day we'll see each clip, small clip which contains various topic like question and answer, Ekantik Vartalab, whatever Maharaji videos, it's already there in Hindi. We'll try to see short clip in daily videos. Okay. Today, what we are going to see is Naam Jap, Mahima.
ये भगवत ऋषि की महाराज कह रहे हैं जो कछ लिखो लिलाट दुख सुख देह संग भुगते गो जहां जाए गो या सिद्धांत भंग या सिद्धांत अभंग तजत क्यों धीरज प्राणी वृंदावन परिहरे प्रिया प्रीतम रजधानी जिस
At the time when we are in agony, our Lord will be smiling. Will He remain distant? No, He who loves you deeply will overwhelm your mind and heart. Then who will feel sorrow? The mantra of Priyapritam will immerse you in the color of bliss. Believe this. Never let doubt arise that you are unsupported. No one was there for us, and no one is, and no one will be. He alone is ours, He alone was ours, and He alone will remain ours. We fail to recognize this. Believe it. I repeatedly say, believe it. Because only through faith can your patience strengthen. Otherwise, you will keep struggling and will never escape the whirlpool. Stop struggling, the whirlpool itself will dissolve. This is such a path. Have faith. Without faith, there is no devotion. A pure soul and a pure heart belong to the one who constantly chants his divine name. The tongue that repeats the name Radha becomes holy inside and out. The one who chants Radha, Radha, Radha even once with devotion becomes the noblest, even if they belong to a lower caste. Blessed is the one who constantly contemplates the name Radha and fears losing this supreme treasure. Such a person is truly blessed. The thought that Radha's name should never leave me makes one entirely devoted. In this age of Kali, there is no remedy than chanting Radha's name. No matter how many rituals or practices you perform, you cannot attain perfection without this. Each era has its dharma, but in Kali Yuga, the foundation is solely the name. Chanting the name alone will lead one across. Even among sacrifices, the Lord Himself declared, I am the sacrifice, I am the japa sacrifice. The greatest sacrifice is chanting Radha Radha. It surpasses all others. Initially, you might not even receive recognition for this, unlike external sacrifices that bring admiration. But this supreme sacrifice, the chanting of Radha's name, is unparalleled. When you achieve a state of detachment, you won't need to summon him or search for him. You will simply know the love for all will emerge because your beloved resides within everyone. Radhe Radhe Shri Harivansh.